Hi, so this is for challenge 5. I'm currently in my Google Drive. This is where I will be using my cloud storage. To get to all my folders, I can just click this bar down from Drive, and here all my folders are ready for me to look at. One example that I have from before is I made a folder for a vacation I was going on. I wanted to have my itinerary, packing list, and the financials all in one place because I was going with somebody else. So I made this, I was able to share it with them just by clicking those two little people right there and typing in their email. So as you can see, I have some other emails because I wasn't sure which one was going to be his. But he was able to go in here and see that the finance list, the packing list, etc., because I made him an editor. The one that is important for this class will be the EDCI 270 folder. I do have some of my assignments in here already. I decided to add them in to make it easier for me later if I needed to reference them. If I wanted to add a new one to this, for example, I'll make one for this challenge. I would just hit New, and I would go to Google Docs, and I can just put in EDCI 270 challenge 5. I'll put badge 1 so I don't get it confused with one later. And I'll just write this challenge 5. So from here we have our document, and we can just go back to Google Docs. And once we're back in Google Docs, I can go to my Drive, Google Drive, not Google Docs. We're back in Drive if it loads. And so the document I just created is here. And if I right click it and hit move to, I can just go to my Drive and put it in that folder. Oh, so I guess it was already in the folder. My bad. But yeah, same thing, move to my Drive and EDCI. So now that thing is already in my folder. I can just click the folder down here. And so now it is in there under challenge 5. If I wanted to share this with somebody, I can just go down, hit share, and then same thing, just type their email in. I'm going to just share it to the same person that I shared my challenge 4 to as an example. And I'm just going to put in sharing this for assignment. You can write anything you need in it. So say I was asking for them to add to it, I can do that. And when I make them an editor, they can go ahead and add whatever they want to this. So say you're in a collaborative project with someone and you want to share documents, you can go ahead and do that. And you would just go ahead and hit send. I'm going to cancel it so I'm not sending him something and he's confused about it. But yeah, so that's how you would share.